So you don't know how to get started? Well, let's get busy. All right, guys, as you can see, prepper haul. At the beginning of every month, what I'll do is I'll actually just grab a cart, go into some store, in this case it was Walmart, and start to top off my pantry. I normally know exactly what I want to buy. I don't have a list, but I know the items that I want, the items that I like to eat, the items that I like to store. So, without all that, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So the first thing that I always grab, I like to go down the meat aisle and get myself a big old can of chicken meat. Yeah, that's right, and this stuff will last forever. And then I also like to go ahead and get me some tuna, because you never know when you might want to have a tuna sandwich or a something with tuna in it. The next thing I'm going to want is I'm going to want some potatoes. And I always grab about multiple packs. Yeah. The important thing is to read the back, where it says just add water. After that, it's all gravy. So the next thing I like to do is, we can't all subsist on beans and rice. So what you want to do is get yourself some of the old pastaroni. You can do lots with it. You can cook it by itself. You can put some hamburger in it. You can do all sorts of things with it. But it's nice to have a nice mix of them. Fettuccine Alfredo is my girlfriend's favorite. Speaking of rice and beans, well, look at that. 6 pounds of rice. Rice is good for you. Get the white stuff so it doesn't spoil. You can store this stuff for a long time. Now the next thing is obviously going to be the beans. Now yeah, I buy dry beans and they're pretty cheap, but I like to have them in the cans too, because I think that basically they're instantly preserved for them. Now I like the pop tops. And I know a lot of people are like, you got to keep an eye on these, otherwise, yeah, you can have problems. And you're right, so you just check your cans and everything will be fine. When you buy large amounts of cans, make sure that you go ahead and steal the cardboard that comes with it. Guarantee it's going to help you get it from point A to point B and help you stack it on racks like that. My next pile is pretty simple. Just vegetables. Look, they come in all sorts of assortments. They're super cheap. And yeah, you can walk out with the pallet, no problem. That's how many I got. The next thing you want to do is make sure you get yourself some fruit. That's right, they come in all sorts of different flavors. The reality is that you can buy cases upon cases of stuff. They cost almost nothing. They will stack quite easily. And if you just keep rotating them, you never have a problem with your cans. As you can see, this is a lot of food. $56. 36 cans, 6 boxes of dry food, 6 things of mashed potatoes, got some chicken, got some fish, and we've got our white rice. So it's actually pretty easy to get started preparing. Now, if you do this once a month, you're not going to have any problems keeping your shelves full. Yeah, that's just one of the shelves. You tell me how you buy stuff at the store, how you do your hauls. This is the part of the video where I ask you for support. Down there, there's a link. Do me a favor, find it. Support the channel. There's lots of ways to do it. I know people don't like to sign up for stuff. That's why I have so many. And if you don't want to support the channel, but you want to nose around, there's a link down there for the website. localprepper.net. Take a look around. You might like it. You might not. I don't know. Okay, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.